Well, hi, hello, hi, everybody. It's LorePerdomo. I'm here on Thursday when we want to bring additional information for you who are looking to either buying a property, sell a property, or invest in real estate. So, once again, my name is Lore Perdomo with Mi Casa to Casa and National Real Estate. And today I want to bring to you valuable information about real estate. So today's topic is 1031 exchange. So it's very known in our real estate field, but there's a lot of people who doesn't know anything about real estate or 1031 exchange. So today I want to give you a brief information about what is 1031 exchange. So remember, I'm not an attorney, I'm not an accountant, and I don't work for a 1031 exchange qualified company. But because my experience and knowledge as well, so I know a little bit about this, and I want to share that information with you today. So this topic is a little dense, so I want you to pay attention how you can set up this to basically expose and probably do more with the properties that you may have right now. So this is for you if you are a seller or you have a property or you are a landlord and want to, you know, uh, grow more your business, your real estate portfolio. So basically, what is 1031 exchange? So 1031, it's a way or it's a strategy. It's a tax strategy for you to defer capital gains when you resell a property. So yes, basically it's the way how to defer gains, property gains or capital gain taxes when you resell a rental property or an investment property. It only works when you have investment properties. It does not work when you have a primary residence, because when you are a primary residence or when you're selling your primary residence, most likely you probably will not be paying any capital gains. Obviously, when you have certain amount of gains. If you're a single person, it's $250,000. But if you're a couple and it's your primary residence, your homestead, it goes up to $500,000. So that's for the primary residence. But when you are selling investment property, then you have to again pay capital gains. But in this way, you avoid to pay taxes now, you just defer to pay those taxes in the future. So you can use the entire amount that you are reselling the property for to exchange this property for another property that must be like kind. Its similarities has to be basically the same kind of properties, like if you have a residential for another residential. That's just an example. So most of the people, what they do is they sell this rental property and buy another one. You have to use the entire amount. So let's talk about this. So let's say you purchase a house for $100,000 years ago. Now you wanted to resell it for $200,000. So you have a gain of $100,000, $100,000. So technically, you have to pay taxes on that amount of money. But if you do an exchange, what you do is you take the $200,000 and purchase another house for $200,000, or purchase few houses for $200,000 or more. So you need to use the entire amount of the sale of the initial property. So I have something here. So when you sell or when you sold this property, so you have the initial property and then you need to open a 1031 exchange. That 1031 exchange needs to be an investment property exchange services company that basically is a qualified intermediary between you and the other properties that you're purchasing. So this company obviously is a licensed company and has a, it's authorized by the IRS to do all this because the final goal is, again, to avoid to pay capital gain taxes. So you open a 1031 exchange. So once you have all the paperwork, when you have everything complete, you now can use the money to buy a property or multiple properties. Now, there is a time frame that you need to do this. So from the moment that you sold your property, you have 45 days to identify the property that you wanted to purchase. Then, from then, you have up to 180 days to close the entire transaction. Again, those days are the tricky part, and you need to consider it when you are doing this exchange because, IRS, they don't play around. So if you don't use the money or if you don't close before 180 days, you have to pay taxes on that money, and obviously they will give you the money that is left in your account. So it's very important that we maintain this timeline to avoid any tax complications. Now, in the 45 days, you need to be identify the replacement property. Again, this is a streamlined process and it's very easy. Now, what we do here is, again, maximize everything that we have or maximize our potential investment opportunities. So what we do here is, with the property that we have, we don't buy one single house. We maximize everything that we have. So we try always to buy not one, but always 2 or 3 properties in the same 1031 and maintain under the requirements and the rules of 1031 exchange. Now, doing that, you again multiply everything that you have, and obviously with the purpose to obtain maximum cash flow and more rental income. That's basically our final goal. Here, our team is always looking for those opportunities, for those investment properties for you to maximize all those cash flow and, again, the passive income that we always love. So if you wanted to learn a little bit more about the exchange, the process, the timing, and probably see other opportunities or other investment properties for you, just give us a call because we are here to help you. So we are here to convert all those real estate dreams into reality. My name, again, is LorePerdomo with Mi Casa Tu Casa and National Real Estate. Our phone numbers are 407-913-9388, and we are just one phone call away to start your investment properties journey. So give us a call, and remember to sign up to our YouTube channel because we have a lot of different classes. We have a huge library with classes, with topics that are very important for you if you wanted to learn more about this fantastic work. So once again, LorePerdomo, and I see you next time. Bye-bye. And it's ciao, ciao.